This is an advertisement if you don't want to see it bicycle. We've got the Task Star. 1/2-inch drive, impact. It's got your two 21-volt batteries, 800 and some foot-pound, with all your popular lug sockets, a battery charger. We'll give it the trigger test. I like a sensitive trigger. This one right here does really well. It's a big thing to me. Let's go give it the forklift test. 1.5-inch head. Works really good. Got high, medium, low setting. 2 batteries, charger, your popular lug nut sockets. It's just good a gun as any. Something like this interests you. Links right here. You know what to do.